Hi guys, this is our channel, Code with Akash. In this video, I want to tell you about what is Python. Let's start the video. What is Python? Python is one of the most emerging and powerful programming languages in the world today. It is a high-level, general-purpose language used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means you don't have to declare variable types. It figures them out automatically during execution. It is an object-oriented programming language, where everything is treated as an object with its own identity, properties, and behavior. Python is also an interpreted language, meaning it runs code line by line, making debugging easier for beginners. That's all for this video. So, don't forget to subscribe and join me on this coding journey. Let's make Python simple and fun. Let's get started. In the next video, we'll dive into what a general-purpose programming language means, and why Python is one of the best examples. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.